All right, in this video, we're going to take a basic sugar tuck and teach you how to add a rock and go with both a right and a left hand. That's going to take your West Coast swing down a whole different branch and open up a bunch of cool things. Stay to the end of the video because I'm going to share with you 7 different tuck turn variations that you should know for West Coast swing, as well as a free gift called our pattern tree chart. The rock and go with the right hand. So I use this because this is the easier of the two. So again, number 2 is just take the right hand over. Boring, Brian B. But if I get to this, 3 and 4, I can use a rock and go to bring Megan out into something else, right? So again, it's that count 4 that makes this rock and go possible. If you don't know what a rock and go is, you'll want to watch this video right here. I'll explain it in detail, but we're bypassing the anchor. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it's that moment that she now feels the entire beat of 4. Instead of just taking it down and anchoring 5 and 6, she feels an acceleration, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I pull her out of the anchor, free spin, anchor step, right? Rock and go with the left hand. This is harder, but it actually provides, I think it's cooler. This is much easier with the right hand, but the left hand, we go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. That's the one you'll see a lot of cool kids on YouTube dancing. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now here, this is a tricky lead. This to me feels less rotational than it does linear. And I'm going to explain it. Megan's giving me a look like, what are you talking about? Because if I get too big, I'm going to run out of time to pull her out, right? So this tends to be a little bit tighter. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the feeling is more linear at this point as she's connected into my fingers that way. So I back out, take her out, and then from here, you can do all sorts of different stuff. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. Speaking of art, if you're interested in seeing how all the patterns nest together, there's something called a pattern tree chart. You can download it right here for free. It will show you how you can take a whip and build it into a bunch of different patterns, literally like a branch of a tree. And if you just want to see another video called the 9 inside turn variations we did, it's pretty slick. You watch it right here.